talking. But now they talking crazy. Always talking crazy. Who said that I can't have everything I want?
Something. This wig just gave me life. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I don't even have to speak for this hair. I feel so good. I feel refreshed. I don't have to speak for it. I feel brand new. It's gonna speak for me. Y'all see this wig? Do you see it? Let me know if you can't see it, because if you can't see it, then I'll get on live, honey. Oh, I can't breathe. This wig is everything.
Honey.
Hey girls, it's Chad here, and I'm feeling myself. Am I? Yes. It's been such a long time that I got some hair that I was just like, oh my God. Today, that has changed. What y'all think? I don't even know what to say. This hair is beautiful. Beautiful. You know how I say go get this wig? Go get this wig. I'm ready to snap it up. I'm ready to take pictures and like show how bomb this hair is. Look at this. God bless America. This hair is bomb. It's snatched. It's clutch. It's lit. It's lit. So this is the Freetress Equal Invisible L-Part wig. It is the style Letty. That's Letty. I will post it down below. And the color is OP430. And there are many different colors that are available for you. It is curling iron safe up to 400. It's hand tied and it has an invisible part as well. Usually you see these pictures and it's not that length once you put it on. I'll see this. Do you see it? It's the length. It is true to length. So this hair was sent to me by Ebony Line, and I will make sure that I post all the information down below and the link to where you can purchase this wig. Okay, now there are 2 combs in the front. There's 1 comb in the back. There is adjustable straps. It is definitely big head friendly. It's a little bit bigger than my head because it's going over my ears, but that's perfect because I can't find too many wigs that are bigger than my head. So regardless of the fact if I want to braid it back or if I just want to put a slick back, or honey, if I just don't feel like doing my hair for the day, I can definitely slap this wig on and you won't be able to tell the difference. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. No one will care about what's up under that head. But take care of your hair though. Look at these curls. Look at that. This looks like some expensive hair, okay? So the color is OP430. It goes from dark roots and then it goes all the way into the color. And it's just so beautiful the way that they made this wig. It is amazing. I love the color and it brings out so much in my face. I love the length. So there hasn't been any type of shedding or any type of tangling with the combing that I did through the hair. Overall, like, this is one of the best wigs that I have reviewed since I started my YouTube channel. I did take some curling irons and kind of run through the top, and I mean, it laid down just perfectly. Here is the part. Here's the part. I just plucked it just a little bit and put some concealer on it and laid a little bit of my baby hair out, not too much. And yeah, I just feel like it's classic. I feel like this makes you look like money. On a budget. It makes you look like money. Nobody would even know because this hair right here is bomb. It's glam. It's just fetch. It is. So like, I would definitely recommend it, and I'm definitely gonna rock this, and I'm about to take 1,000 million trillion pictures in this hair because it is bomb. You all go on down to Ebony Line and click the link, buy this wig. Thank me. Thanks, Chad, I bought this hair. That's all I want to see down in the comments. Thanks, Chad, I bought this hair, because you are going to love it. It is so soft. All I want y'all to do is look pretty. Thank you so much from Ebony Line. You have restored my faith in wigs. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. And make sure you comment, Chad, I bought this wig. Because I know you all will slay this wig. You all are going to slay this hair. So go out there and get it and look cute. Take pictures, tag me in it, follow me on Instagram at @thereal_ChadneyB, but tag me in your pictures. Until next time, you know how it goes. Make sure that you share this video so we can tell everybody how much we love wigs. We love wigs. Take care of yourself so y'all can come back and watch me, okay? Check you later. Bye.